and today we're doing a video on the metal fidget spinner. So this one is definitely more heavier than this, and this. But yeah, so this is. Sorry guys, someone called me, but yeah, it's pretty good. As you see, it looks like it's kind of floating right there. So yeah, I kind of like it. It feels pretty nice. So I'm just gonna show you my Fidget Collection right now. My metal one. Just gonna do this Fidget Collection now. This is my black one. This is my orange one. I like this one. It's kind of quiet and smooth. This is my light up one. I love it. Sick. So that's one of my favorites. And we got this red one. This one, red one, I got my first trick down on it. I can't do it right now. I'll save that for another video, but yeah, this is my red fidget spinner. I'm gonna get my fidget cube. So my yellow one, this one I got at GamerCon. I didn't record that, but yeah, it was pretty late GamerCon. But this is what I got there. I got yellow fidget spinner. It's kind of good. So that's my yellow fidget spinner. This is my green golden dark one. Works pretty nicely. And this is my one that has two. And that's my gum collection. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.